just a good way to give back, and this one in particular is for one of our lost employees last year. So we have a lot of family members, and it's very important to me, and seems to be pretty important to them too.
It was something he would have been interested in for sure. He actually ran a landscaping company before he started his time at Hoosier with a buddy of mine, and they would come and do very similar things to this. So it was work he enjoyed.
Okay, so he would have been proud of this effort.
Yes.
Bill and I work together on a lot of projects.
It's just a blessing.
Yeah.
It's a blessing for both of us.
Well, I got my knife. I'll go finish.
On behalf of Rebuilding Together and the Board of Directors, I want to thank Hoosier Crane for coming out today and being able to help us on this project. Without volunteers like you, we wouldn't be able to serve the community the way we're able to do. Appreciate your support.